Welcome to Taiba Kids!
Splash, splash, splash in the tub. Time to wash and time to scrub. Bubbles floating in the air, clean and happy everywhere. Wash my hands so nice and clean. Rub them well till they all gleam. Fingers, thumbs, and palms too. Clean hands just for you. Wash my face with gentle care. Bubbles popping here and there. Eyes, nose, and cheeks so bright, shiny, clean, and feeling right. Whoa. Wash my arms from wrist to shoulder. Rub them softly as I get older. Splash the water, laugh and play, cleaning germs all away. Wash my tummy round and round. Bubbles fall into the ground. Giggle, giggle in the foam. Bath time fun inside my home. Wash my legs and wash my feet. Tiny toes so nice and neat. Splash the water, scrub away. Keep the dirt from coming to stay. Wash my hair with bubbles high. Foamy clouds reach to the sky. Rinse it clean and shake it free. Shiny hair for all to see. Now I'm clean from head to toe, fresh and happy as I go. Bedtime fun is done today, clean and ready to run and play.
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!